There's a lady who's yellow, all that glitters is gold, and she's buying a stairway to heaven. When she gets there, she knows if the stores are closed, with the world she can get what she